itong binabanggit ninyo na North-South rail system natin, ito'y gumagamit ng mga tren na dikuryente na, ano ho, sir?
Yes sir, electric train na wala na ho tayo dun sa tinatawag na diesel locomotive.
Opo.
Ang tawag ho natin nung araw dyan na home along the rails train na
Mm.
pag umaandar, yung mga bahay yumuyugyug.
Aha.
Hindi daw po ganon. These are modern electric trains and they are fast moving trains. The commuter trains are 130 kilometers per hour and the express trains are 160 kilometers per hour. We have 36 stations magmula Clark to Pampanga, Pampanga to Bulacan, Bulacan to Metro Manila, in and around Metro Manila, and then it goes from Alabang to further south to Calamba, Laguna.
Opo.
We have 3 depots. Yan ho mga depots, dyan po pinaparada, dyan nire-repair, dyan nire-maintain ang mga train systems natin, andyan ang security systems, nandyan ang computerization and digitalization ng mga trains, and the systems, of course. We have one in Clark,
Mm-mm.
we have one in Valenzuela City, and at the end of the line, we have one in Calamba, Laguna. So, 3 train depots na
Aha.
malalaki ho yan. Kaya nga ho, malaking construction po ang nagaganap.
Mm-mm.
And we also foresee na itong mga estasyon na to, 36 of them, will be the center of trade in these different towns and municipalities.
Aha.
Sir, in the future, we can possibly create metropolitan areas outside of metropolitan Manila
Mm-mm.
by way of modernizing our transport system with these train stations.